Wrong Newline character over serial port, CR instead of LF. I'm trying to talk to a device using a USB to serial converter on Linux. Drivers are working, the device exists at /dev/tiles0. There is a strange problem, checked with a non-modem cable to another computer. Whatever program I use to connect to the device, POTI, Minicom, screen, they all send a CR, \r on enter. I and my device expect the LF, \n on enter. When I use the console to send a command, it sends a LF. Results in hello world \n. I also wrote the classic C hello world program, printf, hello, world, \n, winky face, and redirected the output to /dev/tiles0, also gives me a hello world \n on the other end of the line. But all other terminal programs send a \r on enter. What's going on here?
Please ensure you have set the TIASP export in ROM mode. Otherwise, there can be some character replacements, e.g. \r with \n and vice versa on receiver side.
If using Picocom, it's a matter of mapping the serial output from CR to CR plus LF. Example, actually able to send commands to the device now.
TLDR, you can't. Screen will override any options set via STTY when it starts. It doesn't support the /onlker/icronal/inlker options required to configure carriage return versus Newline. It opens the terminal device in exclusive mode, so you can't use STTY to change these options after screen starts. This is true for screen version April 8, 2000 new, February 5, 20. Long form. I've run into this same issue, and have searched through several related questions and answers across the Stack Exchange universe. I'm forced to conclude that you can't get screen to send line feed, LF, \n, instead of carriage return, CR, \r. At least not without changing something in the source and recompiling. This question asks how to send LF instead of CR from screen. It doesn't have an answer yet. This answer is wrong. STTY f/dev/your serial device your baud rate raw won't change how screen configures the TTY. This answer suggests using Picocom, but doesn't answer the question of how to get screen to send the correct Newline character. It does, however, work. There are hints for how one might address this for screen in the STTY man page. Screen forwards the comma-delimited list of options after the TTY file to STTY, so some of these options might help. However, setting both input and output to replace \r with \n, ensuring that \n isn't replaced by \r, and ensuring that onRed is not set, doesn't make a difference. Behaves the same as before. I'm not sure why screen doesn't seem to apply the options. This answer to a vaguely similar question suggests using STTY to change the options. This does nothing, because screen resets any configuration performed by STTY when it starts. This answer claims that one can run STTY after screen starts, but when I do this I get the error device or resource busy. This answer also addresses the issue with CR/LF in screen. It refers to the window type section of screen's online documentation. An exclusive open is attempted on the node to mark the connection line as busy, so we shouldn't be able to change the TTY options after starting screen. Only baud_rate, CS8/CS7, number of bits per byte, IXN/off, and ISTRIP are documented options. This probably means that /ocronal etc. aren't recognized supported by screen. In summary, the question of how to get screen to send LF, \n, instead of CR, \r, has been asked several times on various Stack Exchange sites. None of the provided answers work, and a thorough reading of the documentation suggests that it's not possible at this time.
I know this is old, but it has frustrated me for long enough. As Admiral mentioned, this issue doesn't seem to be solved with any of the given answers here. A similar issue on Unix and Linux Exchange had a better answer. So, this might help in case anyone lands here in the future. Python PyZerial comes with its miniterm which seems to do the right thing with CR and LF. Should be available in your distro's repository or on PyP.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.